How y'all doing? Hey, it's Price, and I'm gonna be changing out a water heater today on this RV, and I just thought I'd bring you guys along in case you maybe need to do this for yourself. Stick with me and we'll get this thing on the road. That's the water heater right there. We're gonna be changing this water heater out. This little I don't know, element, whatever the hell you want to call it, transfer, is going bad, and for 150 bucks you can get a new one, but for $75–80 more I got a whole new hot water heater. So that seemed like the better thing to me rather than replacing this, and there's a lot of trash that's coming out of there. So we're just gonna go ahead and replace the whole hot water heater, and I'll just keep this one for spare parts and stuff like that. So first thing gotta do is take all these screws out and then loosen it up, and this should slide out as one unit. And then I've got two water lines and a gas line. Huh? Make sure that you do not get these mixed up. You see, hot is on top, cold's on bottom. That gas line right there is what was giving me a problem. not very much room to get your hand in here and tighten on this. And you see how I kind of had to tilt it up a little bit to get the gas line to line up with the fitting. So I'm gonna tighten it on down, and then there's a panel right here that you can take off and access the back, and that's where I'll put the hot and cold on. Okay, so I forgot I wasn't videoing. What I did was, I got the butyl tape put on the back of here, and I went ahead and put this screw, that screw, and that screw, which holds this ring to the hot water heater body here. It pulls them together. So now what I'm gonna be doing is putting the outer screws in all the way around. And what I've chosen to go with are these motor scooters right here. Because they're coated, hopefully they won't rust very soon. So that's what I'm fixing to do now. All right, I'm fixing to light the pilot light on the hot water heater. We had a little bit of a leak, and I'll show you what happened here in just a second, but here we go. So I've got it on high. There's a little pin right here, and you kind of pull that out a little bit, and you can adjust it to low, medium, or whatever you want. So your pilot light is back up in here, just like it was on that other one. So we put it on pilot. I gotta turn the gas on. Alright, I want to show you. You see right here, it says pilot adjustment. Our pilot light over here wasn't lighting. So, right there, that little brass nut is your pilot adjustment. Read your directions.
It was 6:35.
We're just sitting here letting it cycle. Okay, so right here we took this panel off a while ago. As you can see, they use those shark bite hose clamps. Well, I didn't have any of them, so I just used a regular hose clamp down there, and I wasn't getting it very tight. That I had to really put some pressure on it. But I think we got the leak straightened out. Alright, so it's done got dark on us, and pretty much it's just a matter of putting this little cover right here back on, and man, look at that lighting, and we'll be done. So anyway, that is all we've got for you today. We changed the hot water heater and got it done. Had a few problems, as to be expected. So y'all be cool. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll talk to you later. It's Price. Don't forget to comment. Comment and let me know what you think about if I did the right thing putting this water heater in, or should I have just gotten a new heating element. Let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you later. Y'all be cool. I'm out.